Welcome to our tutorial on how to make money from ChatGPT. In this video, we will be discussing the various ways you can monetize your knowledge and expertise with this powerful language model. Whether you're a developer, data scientist, or just someone with a creative idea, there's a way for you to turn your skills into profit. Use ChatGPT to create a chatbot. One of the most popular ways to make money from ChatGPT is by using it to create a chatbot. These can be used for customer service, lead generation, or even for entertainment. The process is relatively simple and can be done with a few lines of code. All you need is a good understanding of the API and a clear idea of what you want your chatbot to do. Use ChatGPT to write content. Another way to make money from ChatGPT is by using it to write content. This can be anything from blog posts and articles, to product descriptions and social media posts. ChatGPT has the ability to understand and write in a variety of styles, making it a valuable tool for content creators. Use ChatGPT to generate data. ChatGPT can also be used to generate data for various industries. For example, it can be used to generate product names, descriptions, and even prices for e-commerce sites. It can also be used to generate financial forecasts, or even weather reports. The possibilities are endless and the demand for high-quality data is always growing. Partner with other businesses. Finally, another way to make money from ChatGPT is by partnering with other businesses. For example, you could offer your services as a consultant to a company looking to implement a chatbot or generate data for their business. You could also create a software development company that specializes in chatbot creation. Create and sell a course or ebook. Another way to make money from ChatGPT is by creating and selling a course or ebook on how to use the model. This could include topics such as getting started with the API, best practices for creating a chatbot, or tips for generating data. There is a growing demand for learning materials on advanced technologies such as ChatGPT. And creating a course or ebook could be a great way to share your expertise and make money at the same time. Create and sell pre-trained models. Another way to monetize your expertise with ChatGPT is by creating and selling pre-trained models. These models can be used for a wide range of applications, such as language translation, sentiment analysis, and summarization. Businesses and developers are always in need of pre-trained models, and creating and selling them can be a profitable endeavor. Offer consulting services. Finally, you can make money from ChatGPT by offering consulting services. Many businesses and organizations are looking to integrate advanced technologies such as ChatGPT into their operations, but may not have the in-house expertise to do so. By offering consulting services, you can help these organizations navigate the process and implement ChatGPT in a way that is most beneficial to them.